Stop wasting battery and mobile data on your iPhone. Today, I'll show you a simple automation that automatically turns off mobile data the moment you connect to Wi-Fi and turns it back on when you leave. This takes less than 1 minute to set up and works on any iPhone or iPad running iOS 16 or later. Every iPhone user should be using this. Let's start. Open the Shortcuts app on your device. At the bottom, tap Automations, then tap New Automation. Scroll down and select Wi-Fi. Choose the Wi-Fi network you want this automation to apply to. Make sure Run Immediately is enabled so it works without asking for confirmation. Tap Next, then tap Add Action. In the search bar, type Set Cellular Data. Select Set Cellular Data and change the toggle from On to Off. Tap Done to save. Now your iPhone will automatically turn off mobile data as soon as you connect to that Wi-Fi network. If you want mobile data to turn back on when you disconnect from Wi-Fi, repeat the same steps. This time, choose When Wi-Fi disconnects and set cellular data to on. You can also create similar automations using cellular triggers if you want even more control. That's it. A simple automation that saves battery, saves data, and makes your iPhone smarter.